Well, morning, y'all. I figured I'd make a little video, maybe learn you something. Now, I'm going to take this whole deer leg here and I'm going to put it on a smoker and roast it all at one time. But if some of y'all didn't know, there's actually a gland inside of this rump. If you're going to smoke a whole deer leg, then you're going to need to take it out of there. Now, it runs right up along this femoral artery on the back hind leg of this deer leg, on the rear of this leg, right up against that bone there. And if you take your knife in between these muscle sections and you run your knife right up along that bone, and you'll find it and you'll peel it out with this back hawk and that femoral artery. And once you get down there, you'll slice along that bone and it'll open up. And right here is your gland and your femoral artery. And you just peel that out. While it's still attached to the bone, if you want, you just cut down one side. Now you'll just take your knife, peel that artery and that gland out at the same time. I'm gonna make roast out of this side, this is why I cut it off. But anyway, there's your artery. And right there is that gland inside that back leg. You do not want to cook that. Get them glands out of there. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna do this in real time. I done cut my shank off. This is the hip bone. I'm gonna go in here and pull this hip joint out. You go in here and find your ball and socket. Cut that around. Cut around that tail joint. Cut on the inside. Down that bone. You'll feel that bone and it kind of guides you. Keep working your knife around that ball joint. Don't get in no hurry. Don't run your knife blade. As soon as it separates, cut that old hip bone off. Pelvis bone, I should say. Now we'll set that aside and get the Rest of the meat will grind off of that. Now, we're going to go in here and extract that and that femoral artery. You can see your bone right here, your hip socket. Come in here, we see where it separates the muscle fiber. Pull that away. Cut right down that muscle tissue. Now, we'll get in here, get that femoral artery. Hope y'all can see this, it's hard. Grab the artery. Follow it right down. Now, you take this, tie it back together, and you got your whole roast there to smoke. Good to go. You don't want that wing in it. Right here's that artery, and right inside of here, y'all, there's that gland. You gotta get that out of there. You don't want it. All right, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.